Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix NFC not working on your iPhone using a few simple settings. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down and tap on General. Inside General, scroll down until you find AirPlay and Continuity. Then tap on it. At the top, you'll see the Automatically AirPlay option. On some iPhones, this may be set to Never. If it's set to Never, tap on it and change the option to Automatic. Now, go back to the General settings and tap on AirDrop. Here, select Everyone for 10 minutes. Now, go back again and scroll down through the General settings until you find Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone and then tap Reset. You'll now see several reset options. Tap on Reset Network Settings. And that's it. If this method helped you fix the NFC problem on your iPhone, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful iPhone tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.